Hey friends, this is your advisor Miss A. Today I will introduce our new coffee cups filling machine. This is HMI control system. We can insert your control language. The enlarged cup compartment can store more cups and automatically control the supply. This is no cups, no filling sensor. Servo filling system can guarantee accurate filling results. The newly designed powder suction device makes the sealing surface cleaner. Specially shaped sealing film can be placed in a customized structure. If the sealing lid is missing, the machine will alarm and shut down. Our sealing heads have a simple design, efficient heat conduction, strong and beautiful seals, and are even easy to clean. This is a cover structure customized according to customer needs. The online weighing function is optional and can control the weight of each product to facilitate subsequent screening and elimination of unqualified products. After these functions, disqualified products are produced.